Continuing our discussion on airside head pressure control, one thing that's become more common in the industry due to ARIF regulations requiring energy efficiency are two-speed fan operation on condensing units. So on this Trenton unit, you can see it is tagged with their smart speed technology, and what that means is this is a two-speed fan motor on the condenser. This is very typically seen in the smaller horsepower units where AWIF was harder to achieve. To show what that technology is, if you look in the panel here, there is actually a thermostat that needs to be set to an outdoor ambient, typically around 60 degrees, with a temperature sensor on the outside of the unit. When the temperature is above that, indicating warm conditions, the fan is at 100% speed, utilizing as much of that condenser and airflow that it requires to reject the heat. When the temperatures drop below 60 degrees, the fan drops to its second speed, saving energy when less heat of rejection is required.